I'm here with Sri Anto Antony, Honourable Member of Parliament.
This area is heavily affected with the flood. In Pathanamthitta District itself, 51,000 houses are damaged due to flood. Lakhs of people lose everything. It's a situation there. They damaged dress, damaged textbook, everything is lost. They start from zero now. There's virtually they had nothing. That's the situation. There's the only savings there. That coin and that note. He's a widow and lived with her small children. She's having 3 children and her husband divorced her and she's struggling for the daily income. The grandmother, and she said that she took loan from the bank for her daughter's marriage, and now she does not know how to repay that bank installment, and she's not struggling. The only money which she having now, with this she have to live, and nothing, everything she lost, and they don't have a cot to sleep. They don't have a chair. See this chair, they don't have a chair. If somebody is coming to their home, there is no chair to sit. The flood was reached up to this level. Water. So they are taking us. Assembly President. Assembly President Kottayam.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alan. How are you?
Pressure. The water level reached up to this rooftop.